When President Olusegun Obasanjo encouraged local production of cement, the manager of IBETO cement factory promised to flood Nigerian market with cement and drastically reduce the price of the product. IBETO fulfilled his promise and flooded the country with cement. The result was that the price of cement crashed. This jolted Dangote cement and affected his business adversely. Aliko Dangote wrote a petition to former President Olusegun Obasanjo kicking against the authority the federal government granted IBETO to import 800,000 metric tons of cement. Former President Olusegun Obasanjo issued a directive that IBETO was not allowed to import cement into the country until it proved its investment in local production. Dangote was allowed to import cement.